Hello, we're here today to look at this Husqvarna 54-inch XCITE Z380 zero-turn mower. And this mower does have a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. Alright, starting off with the front, we'll see our LED lights. Front grate is removable to be able to service and look at the deck. It'll have a twist knob on there. Battery cover, same. It'll have a twist knob. Now once you release that, you can get to the battery. On the front of the mower, we've got our parking brake. The deck boasts Durablades. There's a control knob for the deck height adjustment. Each one of the handles, the left side is going to be start and stop. The right side's got a PTO engagement. Take a look at our 26 horsepower engine here. The deck is a 10 gauge fabricated deck. The unit has innovative SmartControl System. It's got a comfort, focus, smooth ride suspension system. Maintenance free cast iron spindles. It's got a hydrostatic Parker transmission. We have a digital hour meter with service reminders. The seat does have armrests. Go on this side. Take a look at the deck chute in the deck. If you have any additional questions on this mower, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you here at SLE. Thank you. Have a great day.